The Bell+Howell Bionic Spotlight M delivers impressively bright illumination for a compact solar unit, making it well-suited for lighting driveways, paths, and yard corners. Its integrated solar panel means there is no need for electrical wiring or frequent battery changes, which keeps installation clean and maintenance low. The built-in motion sensor reliably detects movement at a practical distance and automatically turns the light on and off, so you get security lighting only when it is actually needed. Coverage is generous for a single fixture, easily spreading light across a wide outdoor area so you can reduce the number of spotlights you need. The housing feels solid and is designed to handle rain, snow, and strong sun without cracking or fading, so it can stay outside through every season. Overall, this spotlight is a convenient, energy-saving way to add extra visibility and a bit of security to gardens, walkways, and other outdoor spaces without running new power lines.